month. It's March, and we're giving you a new product of the month under Todd Talks. So we're going to get into Easy Lock. We want to be sure that we show you the two ways we manufacture, because there's two components. You're going to have a pulley or a wheel that we're going to make, because this can go into synchronous pulleys or some gears and those type of things. And we've got a hub that's part of it as well. So we manufacture the hub one way, and we manufacture the wheel the other way, and then we press fit them together to get the engineering solution. So let's go check it out. If we're going to talk about Easy Lock, we're going to start with how we manufacture it, and that's with aluminum bar stock like this. So step two in making the aluminum pulley for the Easy Lock hub is we take the bar stock we just showed you, put it into the automatic CNC bar feeder, and we turn the part so we got a round wheel, and then we'll head over to the hob section. So as we start to cut the teeth into the synchronous pulley for the Easy Lock hub, you can see that we're going to turn this from this. So we're taking the pulley, we're cutting the teeth into it, and then once that's done, we're going to go press fit the two together. Let's go check it out. As we're making the Easy Lock hub, we take the bar stock that we just showed you, and then we put it into the CNC machine here, Swiss Sagami, and it feeds it in, and then we start to turn the hub, and then we start to cut the slits in the hub. So you got two cuts, two slits that are in the hub. You got one that's parallel and one that's angular. What this allows is that if you need to have a lot of adjustment on your pulley, and you look at a traditional pulley with a keyway and two set screws, those set screws, when they tighten down to the shaft, it mars the shaft. So it deforms it. And if you have a lot of adjustment, over time, you're not going to be able to continue to move that pulley. But on Easy Lock, it doesn't mar the shaft at all, because with those two slits that we just showed you, you've got a cap screw that goes in here. And as the cap screw gets tightened, it pulls down on that hub and acts as a concentric lock, 360-degree lock on the shaft. And you can adjust it as often as you want and never mar the shaft. So it's only for shaft sizes that are ½ inch and smaller, but this is a great engineering solution. So we showed you the two-part process where we had to manufacture the pulley, and then we manufacture the hub, and then we press fit them together. And that's how you get an Easy Lock pulley to satisfy your engineering challenges out there in your precision mechanical world.